Septic tank maintenance cost. Septic tank maintenance is crucial for keeping your system functioning well. Regular care can help prevent costly repairs or system failures. Understanding the factors that affect maintenance costs can help homeowners budget effectively. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Key factors influencing maintenance costs. 1. Size of the tank. Larger tanks require more effort and time to maintain, leading to higher costs. A standard residential septic tank can range from 500 to 1,500 gallons, with larger tanks costing more to pump and service. 2. Tank location. Tanks that are hard to access, such as those located far from the house or in challenging areas, may require additional equipment and labor, raising the cost of maintenance. 3. Condition of the system. Older or poorly maintained systems may need repairs or more frequent service, which can increase overall maintenance costs. Typical maintenance costs. 1. Pumping and cleaning. Septic tanks should be pumped every 3 to 5 years to avoid blockages. The cost for this service generally ranges from $250 to $600, depending on the tank's size and accessibility. 2. Inspection and maintenance. Regular inspections, which can cost $100 to $300, help detect early signs of wear, preventing expensive repairs down the line. Repair and replacement costs. 1. Minor repairs. Issues like clogs or minor leaks usually cost $200 to $1,000 to fix. 2. Major repairs and replacements. If the tank or drain field needs replacement, costs can range from $5,000 to $15,000, depending on the severity of the damage. Additional services. 1. Bioenzyme treatments. Bioenzyme treatments help break down waste in the septic tank, reducing the need for frequent pumping. These treatments generally cost between $100 and $300 per year and can help extend the life of your system. 2. Effluent filter maintenance. Some systems include effluent filters that help prevent solids from entering the drain field. Maintaining or cleaning these filters can cost $50 to $150 annually but can prevent costly damage to the drain field. In conclusion, maintaining your septic system regularly can help save money by avoiding expensive repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.